Hey everybody, alright, so let's check in on the forest gardens. A great many changes since we were last here. Last time there were some spinach and Swiss chard starts, some peas and other things. They've all been transplanted to the big garden, so let's take a look at what I've done now with what's going on here. So you'll notice some really nifty new big planters. Those were donated to me by Hospice PEI, so very exciting. I'm just going to take a quick sort of a pan down so you can see what it looks like now. And then I'm just going to do a real quick walk along. Yeah, you notice it just keeps going. Alright, so let's go in and take a little bit closer look. So in here, we've got some nice hanging plants, and as you can see from the signs, there's some pepper rossini. Alright, check down here. This is just so cute. I know, look it out. Bulgarian carrot pepper, hot Portugal pepper, and habanero. I get the feeling they're going to get along really well, and it's a beautiful deep container, so they should grow well. Over here, these guys are just my marigolds all hanging out and getting going. And these are some of my tomatoes that are here at the front. So Garden Pearl, oh, beautiful yellow, tiny cherry tomato, so lovely. This is a blush. First time I've ever grown one. I'm pretty excited, from incredible seeds. In the back you see a couple of peppers tucked back in there that are just getting going. These guys, very small, but they're getting going. There's some tiny tims and a couple of basils. They've endured a lot of cold, so they're doing really well. If you take a look up above them, those are my beautiful silvery fir tomatoes. They are a Russian tomato, and I really like how pretty they are. I didn't keep an awful lot of the big tomatoes up here that I had grown. I gave a lot of them away, so I'm pretty happy to have these guys. Let's just scroll down a little bit. So once again, a bunch more little plants that are getting going. This is my cucumber section. So I've got a soyu long and a Japanese climbing cucumber in there. I'm very excited to see how they do. Up on the top, Chinese 5-color pepper and another one over here. They're just getting going. All right, let's take a look at all these guys down here. So I decided this year that I want to try and grow as many things as I can in as many places. And since everything else was free, all I needed to get was potting soil, and somebody helped me out with that. So now I've got some of everybody down here. So I've got this really great collection of peppers and heirloom tomatoes, and I'm pretty excited about it. Up on the fence, some of the peppers that I had started fairly early on, not from the first group. I never got to keep any of those. I hear those have peppers on them, other people who have them. These are my hot burritos and lunchbox peppers. Lunchbox is a soup pepper, so very nice. And then down here, all the rest of the guys who are just getting going. A bunch of tiny tims, some more cucumbers, some more peppers. And down on the bottom, these are plants that are either going to go into my garden, which is what all these ones here, a whole bunch of Roma tomatoes, and those are sweet red peppers and assorted other ones. Those plants are a gift for somebody else. And then these very brave little souls, these are peppers that had a really tough start. They were just getting going and starting really well, and they got stuck in the cold for a couple of weeks. So they're really a couple of weeks behind. So today I just separated them out and transplanted them, so they're really tiny right now. But I'm going to keep checking in, see how they do, because these are really strong plants. They're all from seeds that I saved, so I hope they're going to make it. So that's it. So yeah, let's take a look. Everybody's pretty tiny right now. I'm going to come back on a regular basis, and we're going to see how much this all fills in. So I hope everybody's doing okay out there. The weather is finally warm. The plants and I are so happy. Take care, everybody. Bye.